It takes 7.74 tons of TNT equivalent to bring down a 10-story building. Now look at this 9 megawatt-hour energy storage container. If thermal runaway occurs, its destructive energy is of a similar scale. Today, our goal is to contain that force, but securing a single container is just the baseline. What if we double the energy by stacking 2 containers, with neighboring ones placed right alongside them?
This is the industry's first test of a stacked battery energy storage system configuration.
Ignition. As we can see, both the upper and lower containers are now on fire. 1 hour, 2 hours. Continuous flames are jetting out, but the internal high-temperature gases and pressure still haven't forced the doors open. How is this achieved? The key is CATL's industry-first directional pressure relief design. Conventional systems vent flames forward, which can expose nearby containers and personnel to direct heat. Our design precisely guides flames, internal pressure and high-pressure gases upward. Pressure remains controlled. Gas is safely exhausted, achieving stable burning without explosion. Even from outside the safety perimeter, we can clearly feel the intense heat. Indeed, the heat generated by this container could boil 3.6 tons of water in just 1 minute, enough to fill a 4.2-meter water tanker. Facing continuous exposure to temperatures above 1,000 degrees Celsius, will the neighboring containers catch fire? Not at all. We have integrated a multi-phase composite sealant and high-performance composite insulation panels into a fire protection system. It blocks flames and heat while keeping external hot gases out. Even with temperatures above 1,000 degrees Celsius outside, the cells inside stay below 50 degrees Celsius. It has been burning for 6 hours, even with the 33-ton load above and continuous exposure to flames over 1,000 degrees Celsius. The lower container's ultra-high-strength structure holds firm without any collapse risk. After 24 hours of continuous extreme testing, no thermal propagation occurred. The target container remained structurally intact and neighboring containers were unharmed. Only products that pass the most extreme and rigorous safety validation are ready for delivery. That's the CATL standard.